Today, we'll be showing you how to remove and replace your water inlet valve on this Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, we must first remove our access panel here. It is held on by multiple 1/4-inch screws at the top. I'll lean my arm against it, remove the last one. Pull out on your access panel and set it to the side. Now that we have the panel removed, we have clear access to our water inlet assembly down here. Now obviously the main reasons why you'd be replacing your water inlet assembly is if it is not getting water through the door, it may be slow water pressure, or it is not putting water into the ice maker. The first thing with these inlet valves that you'll have to learn is the way that it disperses the water, which line goes where. So what we'll do is we'll remove these 2 1/4-inch screws on the side. I'll pull it out here so you can get a better visual. And you will see on this, let's go ahead and disconnect the wiring. So you'll see here we have a clear line, a green line, a yellow line, and a brown line. Well, when your water comes in, the first thing it's going to do is go through this solenoid portion, the brown line, up to your water filter. This is to clean out the water. Then it is going to go back down as a clear tube. You'll see it go all the way to the back, goes into the back of the inlet valve, and then this is what disperses it. You have the yellow line that goes to your water dispenser on the front. You have the green line that goes to your actual ice maker. So you can kind of track where your water's going. For example, if you were to take this line off on the bottom. First, it's held on with a strain reliever here. And in order to take these off, it has a union connector. So you'll press in. When you're pressing in on that, you'll pull out on the line, and then you'll have it here. You can press for water at the door to see if water is going to shoot out of here. If water does shoot out of here, the next thing you can do is plug this back in and go to your filter side. So what we'll do is, once again, pull out the union connector. Now, if you had the brown line plugged in and then you undid this one, when you press for water out of this line, should come water showing you that your filter is not stopped up, it's nothing with the filter portion. After that, you just have these two lines here. If you have good water pressure coming out of these, but it is still not putting water into your ice maker or not going through your dispenser, the problem is more than likely in one of these valves. It is sold as one assembly. You can test for voltage at each one of the terminals when you're trying to press for water or ice, depending on, if you harvested your ice maker. In order to replace it, go ahead and start to remove the remainder lines. They'll have a little bit of a bite to them. But press in, pull out, take your inlet valve and set it to the side. When installing your new inlet valve, we are going to go backwards. So let's put the yellow line in first, since it has the least amount of slack. Make sure it pushes in there good, and it should match up with the line that was already written on there previously. Let's go ahead and put the green one in. Next, we will reinstall our strain relievers here. You have 1 1/4-inch one. The other ones are a little bit larger. If they fall off, it's really not a big deal. Let's go ahead and put in our clear line in the back. Now before I do the front one, I'm going to reinstall our Molexes here. The green goes with the green, yellow with the yellow, and brown with the brown. Let's go ahead and slide it back a little bit. We'll pull out the brown line. Let's put that in there. Finish up our strain relievers. Then we're just gonna kind of move it around here, get it to where it can actually go back, because sometimes the wiring will stop it. There we go. Get our screws on, get it in place, reinstall. Now we can reinstall the panel. When reinstalling your access panel, first we're going to make sure it goes around the water line over here. And then we're going to bring it down so that your back portion goes inside. Pull it up here and let's start to reinstall our screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.